Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be doing hot oil treatment because as you guys can see, this is like a week post relaxer, a week plus or 2 weeks or thereabouts after relaxing my hair, and I want to do an hot oil treatment before I wash it. And this wash day I'm going to be doing at the salon. Hopefully, I don't get any setback while going to the salon because it's always scary to go to the salon, how they're going to comb the hair, wash the hair. So everything is just really scary. So this method, this hot oil treatment, will help to soften the hair, and then I'll have to comb it myself before going to the salon, so that now, to avoid story that touches the heart. And the only time I go to the salon to wash my hair is after relaxing my hair, like a week or 2 weeks after relaxing my hair, because the moment this hair start getting new growth, there's no way I'm going to the salon. Never, 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 never. So I had to detangle the hair and then spray water with it. So for the hot oil treatment, the oil I'm using is Amla oil. I remember this Amla oil I got one time, and I've not it's still remaining, so I decided to just use the everything to do the hot oil treatment. And then I added a little bit of my Ayurvedic oil, and then I warm it, just to make it a little bit warm, not too hot, so that you're not going to burn your scalp. Okay, so we all know the benefits of Amla oil. Amla oil is rich in antioxidants, including vitamin C, minerals, and other nutrients that helps to protect the hair follicle from damage, and it also promotes healthy hair growth. Its antifungal property and antibacterial property helps to reduce dandruff, itchiness, and scalp irritation. So you already know this Amla oil has a lot of benefit, and I'm sure there are some people that have been using it that can testify to that. It also helps to nourish and straighten the hair, to reduce hair breakage and splitting, and it also promotes hair growth by increasing blood flow around the scalp and strengthening the hair follicles. And this can also be improved by doing scalp massage. So that's the purpose of the hot oil treatment. When you apply it, you have to make sure that you massage your scalp very, very well, because it helps to increase the blood flow around your scalp. So this is me after finger detangling, and you guys can see I already sprayed water on the hair so that it will be easy for the oil to stay on the hair. So, and then while applying the hot oil treatment, I pat the hair in section, and not just my scalp alone. I apply it on my scalp and also the hair strand, but make sure that you massage your scalp very, very well. Okay, so if you've gotten to this part of the video, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe if you're yet to, and also share the video to your loved ones, family, and friends that will be interested in content like this. Okay, and yeah, so this is me just parting the hair to do the procedure. And yeah, this treatment also helps to improve the hair texture. It moisturizes the hair, it conditions the hair, making it soft, shiny, and manageable. Remember, we're going to the salon, and these people, the way they comb hair very aggressively. So all this process is to make sure that the hair is manageable, so that when they put their comb through it, it will be easy to comb. There won't be any tangles and all. So this is the oil I'm using. I already warmed it, and ensure that it's not too hot. I'm not trying to fry plantain here. Okay, and I'm not trying to fry my scalp, so just make sure that it's warm a bit, and then you're good to go to do your treatment as well. So I'm going to leave you guys a little bit to give you some music, and I'll come back again to talk with you guys. So, but if you have any question for me, please leave it in the comment section below, and I will do well to respond to your question. know guys, this also helps during cold period where the weather is dry and the hair is prone to dryness, because at this point, like this is like 1 week plus, almost 2 weeks post relaxer day, and the hair is already looking dry. But mostly the ones at the surface, when you pack your hair, the outer one are the one that are prone to dryness easily. So you can try to do the hot oil treatment. It will help you retain moisture back into the hair. And since on my relaxer day I did not do my protein treatment, so this wash day I'm going to be getting the protein treatment at the salon and also steaming the hair, all the procedure. You guys are definitely going to be seeing that, and fingers crossed, I hope that we don't get any setback, because going to the salon is always very, very scary. I don't just know. It's always scary, and like that period, I'm always like, oh God, please, I don't want to have any setback, blah blah blah. Like, now praying and all. So this is the hair that shaded after the procedure, and this is what the hair is looking like. So I'll be carrying this for till the next day before I go to the salon. I actually wanted to wash it that particular day, but time has gone. Like the whole application process took a lot of time for me, and you know how it is with full hair, and taking your time to do it as well. So I decided that I'm going to leave it till the next day. So make sure that you are using a satin bonnet, because you don't want the everything that you've applied to soak in your cotton clothes bed sheet. So make sure you use satin bonnets, okay? So I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. I'll be washing my hair at the salon. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, and yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. For now, bye bye.